A very good morning to all the students. I'm your SSC teacher Shipra Verma, and today we will start a new chapter. Chapter number 2, New Kings and Kingdoms. Introduction. The period between 700 CE and 1200 CE was characterized by the emergence of three regional states across the subcontinent. 700 कॉमन एरा और 1200 कॉमन एरा के बीच का जो पीरियड था उसमें तीन रीजनल स्टेट्स आए हमारी कंट्री के अंदर. Rise of regional kingdoms. This period saw the rise of three major kingdoms: the Palas in eastern India, the Gujarat Pratiharas in western India and Gangetic Plains, and the Rashtrakutas in the Deccan and southern India. इसमें हमें तीन major kingdoms दिखाई देते हैं. There was constant struggle for supremacy among the three kingdoms over the control of Kannauj. कन्नौज के कंट्रोल के लिए तीनों किंगडम्स में हमेशा लड़ाई रहा करती थी. Palas. The Palas dominated eastern India, centered around Bihar and Bengal for almost 4 centuries. The Pala dynasty was founded by King Gopala. His successor Dharmapala built the famous university Vikramshila. पालास जो थे उन्होंने ईस्टर्न इंडिया में राज करा, जो कि बिहार और बंगाल के अराउंड फैली हुई थी. 4 सेंचुरीज तक उन्होंने ये राज करा. पाला डायनेस्टी उनके राजा गोपाला ने फाइंड करी थी. द पालास बिल्ट महाबोधि टेम्पल एट बोध गया. जो महाबोधि टेम्पल है बोध गया पर वो भी पालास ने ही बनवाया था. सेकेंड, प्रतिहारास. द प्रतिहारास ट्रेस देयर ओरिजिन टू द हन ट्राइब्स. They were the most powerful Rajput clans at this time. Pratihara's most powerful Rajput clans थी. The first important Pratihara king was Nagabhat I. The greatest ruler of this dynasty was Mihir Bhoja, who ruled from 836 CE to 886 CE. इस डायनेस्टी का ग्रेटेस्ट रूलर मिहिर भोजा था, जिसने कि 836 CE से 886 CE तक रूल किया. Rashtrakutas. The third dynasty which was involved in the conflict over Kannauj was the Rashtrakutas of Deccan. Rashtrakutas were the most powerful of the three dynasties. तीनों डायनेस्टीज़ में सबसे ज़्यादा पावरफुल राष्ट्राकुतास थे. दंती दुर्ग फाउंडेड द राष्ट्राकुतास डायनेस्टी इन द 8th century CE. The last Rashtrakuta king was Kaka II, who was overthrown by Talappa of the later Chalukyan dynasty. End of the tripartite struggle. After the capture of Kannauj by the Pratihara ruler Nagabhatta II, Kannauj remained under the control of Pratiharas as the power of Palas and Rashtrakutas considerably declined by 9th century. The last Pratihara ruler of Kannauj was defeated by Mahmud of Ghazni in 1017 CE. Decline of the three dynasties. The three dynasties declined simultaneously because of their constant engagement in wars, pressure on sources of revenue, and the lack of control over their feudatories. तीनों डायनेस्टीज़ धीरे धीरे डिक्लाइन हो गई क्योंकि वो हमेशा वॉर्स में लगी रहती थी. उनके पास लैक ऑफ रिसोर्सेज भी था और धीरे धीरे उनका कंट्रोल भी जाता गया.